Okay, I'm working on the mask. I'm doing some fill-ins in here. And here's how I am doing it. And it's got to be really, really gentle. So let me see if I can get this demonstrated. It's pulling it. Back and forth. Like that. So that's basically it. I'm just going over and over and over. And I've noticed that you need to kind of keep the pen tip up off of where you're laying down. Otherwise it tends to clog it up. So maybe that's a design note later. Alright. Let's see. You see now I kind of filled that in. Well, there you go. So thanks a lot. And I'm going to keep going on this.